I'm Cooking with Chris, and in this video, I'm going to be doing something a little different. Instead of cooking a recipe idea for you to try, I'm going to have a few suggestions for gifts that I think would make someone happy if they love to cook. So let's get started. Let's start with something every home cook uses, no matter what they're cooking: salt and pepper. These are my favorite salt and pepper grinders. I keep them right by my stove, so when salt and pepper are needed, boom, they're there. One-handed operation and no button to press. You just flip them. They're gravity salt and pepper shakers. Seasoning comes right out. Pair these with some nice peppercorns and some fancy sea salt in a gift bag, and you got a very nice gift package for the person you know that loves to cook. They come in a few different versions. I have the battery-powered ones, but they do have ones that you can just charge via USB. I don't know about you, but I already have so many things to charge these days, so I just went with the battery ones here. I have links in the description below for all the things I'm talking about in this video. They're affiliate links, so I do earn a small commission if you click and buy at no extra cost to you. So check out the link to Amazon for these salt and pepper grinders below. So if you would have asked me a year ago what would make a great gift for someone that likes to cook, I don't think I would have said an air fryer. I was just never interested, but I finally got one this year and I'm so glad I did. So the New Wave Brio Plus is what I'm going to recommend when it comes to air fryers, because it's the one I've been using nonstop. I think with air fryers, you don't want them too big and you don't want them too small. I think basket style is the way to go. And this is the 2024 model. It's 8 quarts. So it's big enough to make a good amount of food, but still compact enough for the countertop. It is non-stick, but it doesn't have those harmful PFAs. It comes in a bunch of different colors, digital touchscreen. I mean, if it's time for an upgrade to an air fryer, you can't go wrong with this one. And if someone's new to air frying, like I was, it's simple enough to learn. By the way, if there's any sales or major discounts in anything I mentioned in this video, I'm going to update the description throughout the holiday season. So it could pay off to come back to this video like next week, a couple of days later, to see if there's any big sales, hint, hint, going on. I also have a few recommendations and ideas for people that like to snack. You have tons of options for snackable gifts. Oh Nuts is one you got to check out though. They have a great variety of different trays and baskets, nuts, dried fruits, chocolates, combinations of those, and including these yogurt dip pretzels. Milk chocolate, dark chocolate, blueberry, raspberry, and my favorite, peanut butter. Chocolate and pretzel is just a classic combination, the sweet and salty flavor. But then with this one, you're getting blueberry, you're getting raspberry, which kind of tasted like strawberry to me. And the sweet and salty combination on these with the different flavors is super tasty. Even if it's not a gift, it's something nice to put out for the holidays as a snack. In the past, I've also ordered their dried fruit gifts, and they're pretty impressive. Like, you're getting all sorts of different dried fruits in a lot of these baskets. Apricots, peaches, mango, prunes, even dried kiwi and apple rings. This one's actually really cool because the tray kind of flips and twists into like an apple basket. Oh Nuts is a brand that's been around. They're out of New York. A lot of their items are kosher too, so if that's something that's important to you. They have so many choices of fruits and chocolates and nuts, even biscotti, cookies, but they also have variations of like each thing, so that means good price ranges. And of course, Oh Nuts does nuts. Classic holiday gifts. There's a lot to choose from, so I'm going to give you a few recommendations of mine in the description. I'll leave links to Amazon down in the description below. Now, I got a bonus item at the end of the video, but one more awesome recommendation for a snack or more of a dessert is Wicked Good Cupcakes. If they sound familiar to you, it might be because of Shark Tank. They're gourmet cupcakes in a jar. They have holiday flavors out now. I tried the gingerbread eggnog and chocolate peppermint. My favorite one, though, is the Wicked Good. It's a cookie-like chocolate chip peanut butter cake layered with peanut butter frosting and chocolate ganache. They also have brownies, which I hear are good, but I haven't tried those yet. But they do come nicely packaged, so less worries about that. Keep in the fridge for 2 weeks, and you can even freeze them. And these aren't dainty little cupcakes either. They're mason jars filled with layers and layers of goodness. A sweet gift for someone that appreciates great flavor combinations indeed. Before we get to the bonus item though, I wanted to let you know I do have another gift guide video I'll leave a link to below. That one is gift ideas for guys on your list. So now for the bonus item. It's not a gift idea, but more of a festive way you could do a special holiday breakfast. I'm talking about mini waffle makers from Waffle Wow, I'm using the gingerbread man one, but they have several different ones to choose from, including Christmas trees and a larger one that makes several mini waffles at a time and includes some food-safe decorating markers. You could just let the kids go wild with these and decorate them at the table as you serve them up, or just throw some butter and maple syrup on them, and you have a memorable holiday breakfast. I just thought I'd include that in the gift guide because this actually works really well. And it's nice and small, so you can store it with the rest of the holiday stuff and make some more waffles next year. Thanks for checking out my holiday gift guide. Subscribe if you're into cooking content and recipes, and make sure to come back to this video again to check out the description, see if there's any updates when things go on sale. Also, you can check out the other gift guide video I did for this season right here. I'm Cooking with Chris. Happy holidays.